Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another arrival from eBay, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. This is another Lionel. This is a Lionel 8042 and it's Tinder. Now I found this on eBay for 10 bucks and I was the only bidder. The guy had it marked that he was selling it for parts. So I have no idea what condition this is actually going to be in. So I guess we're going to find out real quick. This just got here. I bought this last Thursday, I think, something like that. So it took a week to get here. Really curious to see what kind of condition this is in. The photos were actually quite good, which was puzzling because he had it listed as for parts. All right. Styrofoam peanuts. There's the Tinder. There's the locomotive. Now this is quite heavy. This is cast, not plastic. All right, get that out of the way. All right, let's open the Tinder first to see what kind of shape this is in. All right, Grand Trunk Western, and it appears to be intact. A big Tinder, as you can see. All right, so there's the Tinder. And it rolls. This is the locomotive. Now I'm really curious to see why he had this listed for parts. Like I said, it looked rather complete. So not really sure why he would list it. I was the only bidder on this. Very likely because he had it listed for parts. Alright, there's the locomotive. And as I said, it appears to be complete. Wheels turn freely, front truck, rear truck. It's cast. I'm going to put this on the track and pull the camera off the tripod. So as you see, it appears to be in fairly decent condition. Why he had it listed for parts, I have no idea at all. All right, let's put it on the rail. I'm not going to do anything to it yet. Let's just see if it runs or buzzes before we go any further. Let me move this tripod out of the way. Anyway, 10 bucks on eBay. I was the only bidder. Lionel 8042 listed as parts. Let's see what happens. All right, it runs forward. It runs reverse. Light is working. Now I have no idea why he had this listed as parts. It seems to run absolutely perfectly. Now that's puzzling. Anyway, as you can see, the drawbar is really badly bent. So I've got to straighten that before I do anything else. But as you can see, this is actually in fairly decent condition. Could use some oil on the paint. The paint has got some oxide, some rub marks there. That's very likely from storage. So a Lionel 8042 cast locomotive, and it's up and running, and even the headlight is working. So I'm not exactly sure why he had this listed for parts, and it said parts only. So no idea. I don't see anything wrong with this at all. There's no damage to the shell. It's been stored a long time, there's no doubt about that. Gets this gray oxide on the paint. So a couple of drops of oil and paint this with oil, and by tomorrow this would actually look quite good. There's no damage to this at all. It is also a smoker. So I will oil it, straighten out the drawbar, and I'll do a follow-up video, put this on a consist and run it around the rail and see how this is going to work. Anyway, I was really intrigued as to why he would list it as parts. As you can see from the photos in the ad, this is in really decent condition. There's no damage to it at all. Front truck, rear truck. Looks like it's been lightly oiled, as you can see. And it runs reverse, it runs forward, and the headlight works. $10. I was the only bidder. I have absolutely no idea why he would list this as parts only, unless there's a defect that I have not found yet. Anyway, I've got to straighten out this drawbar before I can test it with a consist. So I'll get that taken care of and we'll take it from there. Anyway, I just wanted to do an unboxing video. Lionel 8042, eBay $10, and I was the only bidder. Like I said, he had it listed as parts only, which is very likely why no one bid on it. But I can't see anything wrong with it yet. Haven't tested it on the rail yet. I'm pulling a load, but as you can see, it's running forward and reverse with no problem at all. It's complete, it's intact, it's undamaged, and it was $10. I just can't imagine why he would list this as parts only. And that is exactly why no one bid on it. But as you can see, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this locomotive. So, just a quick unboxing video. I'll get this drawbar straightened out. We'll throw it on a consist, take it around, see how it runs. So far, so good. So just a quick unboxing video. Lionel 8042 with its tender Grand Trunk Western. And this is, it looks to me like it's ready to run. We'll find out. Anyway, I will get this drawbar straightened out. We'll take it from there. We'll put it on a consist, run it around, and see how it goes. So just a quick unboxing video. Lionel 8042, eBay $10, and I was the only bidder. So we'll see how this goes. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.